So guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about the classroom English. Classroom English, according to www.englishgrammarshere.com. Okay, next. Dalam classroom English ini ada yang tergolong kata good morning. Ini ada 3 ya, seperti ini. Good morning everybody. Ya, selamat pagi teman. Good afternoon everybody atau hello everyone. Ya, good morning everybody, good afternoon everybody, hello everyone, seperti itu. Next. How are you? How are you? Hoya. How are you? Hoya. Nah, bagaimana kabarmu ya? Oke. Ini dalam classroom English yang sejenis dengan how are you itu bisa dengan sapaan how are you today? How are you today? How are you today? How are you getting on? How are you getting on? How's life? Are you feeling better today, buddy? Are you feeling? Ini tanpa pakai n ya. Ini tidak tercetak ya. Harusnya are you feeling better today, buddy? Atau how's life? How are you getting on? How are you today? How are you today? How are you getting on? How's life? Are you feeling better today, buddy? Nah, itu yang sejenis dengan how are you atau hoya. Okay, next. Yang termasuk time to begin ya. Time to begin. Let's begin our lesson now. Let's begin our lesson now ya. Is everybody ready to start? Is everybody ready to start? Apakah setiap orang sudah siap-siap untuk dimulai ya? I think we can start now. Saya pikir we can start now. Kita bisa memulainya sekarang. Now we can get down to work. Sekarang bisa kita mulai bekerja ya. Now we can get down to work. Sekarang bisa kita mulai bekerja. Now we can get down to work. Oke, kita ulangi. Let's begin our lesson now. Is everybody ready to start? I think we can start now. Now we can get down to work. Itu termasuk semuanya ini time to begin. Next. Waiting to start. Waiting to start yang menunggu dimulai ya. Bisa I'm waiting for you to be quiet. I'm waiting for you to be quiet. Stop talking and be quiet. Stop talking, jangan bicara ya. Dan seperti ini juga ada di classroom English. Settle down, ya. Atur sekarang. Settle down now so we can start. Atur sekarang deh. Kita akan mencoba memulainya ya. Jadi ini waiting to start ya, menunggu dimulai. Ya, ada 3 kalimat di sini. Classroom Englishnya. I'm waiting for you to be quiet. Stop talking and be quiet. Atau settle down now so we can start. Okay, something like that. Okay, next. Put your things away. Ya, singkirkan barang-barang Anda. Ini yang termasuk put your things away. Menyingkirkan barang-barang Anda. Ya, termasuknya close your book. Close your book. Tutup bukumu. Put your book away. Put your book away. Jauhkan buku-buku Anda. Atau pack your things away. Kemaslah apa saja ya. Pack your things away. Pack your bag away. Pack your bag away. Kemas tas Anda. Ini termasuk ke kategori put your things away ya. Singkirkan barang-barang. Ini juga ada di classroom English. Next. Yang selanjutnya ada dalam register atau daftar ya. Register atau daftar. Ini yang termasuk kata-kata yang ada di daftar ya. Who is absent today? Who's absent today? Siapa yang absen ya, yang tidak hadir sekarang? Who is absent today? Who isn't here today? Who isn't here today? Who's absent today? Why were you absent last Friday? Why were you absent last Friday? Ini juga termasuk register atau daftar ya. Kalimat ini termasuk daftar ya. Who is absent today? Who isn't here today? Why were you absent last Friday? Nah, ini juga termasuk kegolongan daftar atau register. Next. Late, telat. Ini termasuk kegolongan kata telat. Where have you been? Dari mana aja sih kamu? Gitu ya. Dari mana sajakah Anda? Where have you been? We started 10 minutes ago. Kami sudah mulainya 10 menit yang lalu ya. Berarti late itu sama. What have you been doing? What have you been doing? Kamu sudah lakukan apa? Sementara kamu terlambat. Did you miss your bus? Did you miss your bus? Kamu ketinggalan bis ya? Karena ya late, telat. Did you ever sleep? Apakah Anda tidur atau tertidur? Ini pertanyaan. Did you ever sleep? Kamu ketiduran. Mengapa ya? Karena ini pertanyaan dalam kategori late, telat. Don't let it happen again. Jangan biarkan lagi. Don't let it happen again. Ini dalam kategori menyatakan classroom English dalam kategori telat ya. Ini kata-katanya seperti ini. Where have you been? Kemana saja sih kamu? Ya, we started 10 minutes ago. We started 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. Minutes ago. What have you been doing? Did you miss your bus? Did you oversleep? Don't let it happen again. Seperti itu. Next. Kategori wait a minute. Wait a minute. Tunggu sebentar ya. Hang on a moment. Hang on a moment. Berhentilah saat ini. Ya, wait a minute. Just hold on a moment. Just hold on a moment. Tahan sebentar. Stay where you are for a moment. Stay where you are for a moment. Tinggal di mana saja ya. Stay where you are for a moment. Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. Back to your places. Back to your places. Ini termasuk wait a minute ya. Jadi sekali lagi, classroom English dalam kategori wait a minute, salah satunya atau kalimatnya ya seperti ini. Hang on, just hold on, stay where, just a moment please, back to your places. Seperti itu. Oke, yang tergolong homework ya, homework. Prepare the next chapter for Monday. Ya, sediakan bagian yang akan datang ya, pada hari Senin ya. Ya, termasuk homework ini. There is no homework today. Remember your homework. Remember your homework. Homework itu pekerjaan rumah. Ingat pekerjaan rumahmu. Take a worksheet as you leave. Ambil lembar kerja saat Anda keluar dari titik-titik ya. Nah, ini prepare the next chapter. There is no homework today. Remember your homework. Take a worksheet as you leave. Ini termasuk kategori homework ya. Tapi ketika di Adelaide, Australia Selatan, ini bukan homework, tapi homework ya. Hey buddy, where's your homework? Tidak, hey buddy, where's your homework? Ya, tapi yang penting yang diajak bicara sama-sama ngerti lah. Ini maksudnya homework itu ya homework juga sama homework. Kalau sudah di luar dunia pendidikan ya beda cara membacanya, mengucapkannya karena mungkin terpengaruh dialek ya. Homework ya, ketika ditanya di Adelaide, saya pernah ditanya tentang pekerjaan rumah ya bilangnya, hey buddy, what is your homework? Oh, kok homework? Harusnya homework. Ya, tapi nggak apa-apa. Yang penting kita mengerti. Okay, thank you for attention. Keep watching my video till the end. Like, share, and subscribe.